Wall Street closed higher Monday on the eve of the U.S. election. Asian markets, including South Korea, followed suit. Kim Jae-hee helps us look beyond the digits.
Wall Street rebounded on Monday from last week's massive slump as investors braced for the election. The Dow jumped 1.6% to about 26,925. The tech-heavy NASDAQ rose about 0.4%, and the S&P added about 1.25%. Analysts say concerns about a delay in the election results were eased, and also the U.S. Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index for October rose to its highest in 2 years. The Asian markets saw gains too on the election and also on signs of a recovery last month in China's manufacturing sector. The Hang Seng added 2.1% at the close, and the Shanghai Composite Index was about 1.4%. In South Korea, solid gains on both the Kospi and the Kosdaq in expectation of further gains post-election. The Kospi added almost 1.9% to close at about 2,343. The Kosdaq was up a similar amount, closing at 818. Many experts cautiously forecast the U.S. market to stay strong after the election, with a slew of potentially market-moving events to follow in the coming days, including a Federal Reserve meeting, the October jobs report, and several corporate earnings results. However, some warn that uncertainty is still high, and markets could see long-term volatility if election results are delayed.
With the uncertainty surrounding the election, the stock market is bound to be unstable. If Trump wins, markets may find stability sooner than expected, but if Biden wins and Trump refuses to make a peaceful transfer of power, we may see turbulence lasting even after mid-November.
The analysts added that the volatility in the Korean market is due to external factors rather than internal ones, so it would benefit from stability in the U.S. and globally. Kim Jae-hee, Arirang News.